So guys, my room is all finished. Now I'm heading downstairs. Oh, my husband put in these lights in the hallway for the kids, so they're censored. So yeah, time to get my morning started. My kids them are still sleeping, as you can see. Door is locked. Yeah, that's pretty much it. They don't go to their bed at night time. Oh, my hair is a mess. Don't watch the hair. I got my school bag with a whole bunch of bangerangs in it. I'm actually just editing my video to upload just now. It's starting and it is raining. I already know it is Sunday morning, so I'm always down to my regular routine. Sunday morning, get up, got my rice and peas on. I got up a lot earlier, but I didn't actually started doing no work. I got up and I edited 2 videos, so I had 2 videos done, but I didn't and I uploaded 1. Yeah, so I got up and I edited 1 video. I was doing checking out some other stuff as well. They found them? They found the mouse you were looking for?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I need to get picture frames. I gotta go and get some. I have so much pictures to hang. And I wanted to get our wedding photo, the one up here, blown up. I want to get our wedding photo blown up. What, no blow already? Hey guys, so I just got my vegetables here that I'm cutting up, starting to make my dinner. So I got my onion, my thyme, and my scallion in here. I got my ginger. I love ginger when I'm cooking, and I also like garlic because garlic's good for you. And I got my 3 bell peppers and my carrot, of course, potato, and onion. So I usually just and then I will deal with my meat. Chicken breast, and pretty much just slice it up, that's all. If there's anything on it, I just take it off, but other than that, pretty much it. Oh, there's 3 pieces. And then for my leg and thigh, what you want to do is I generally cut it off. And that's it. And we're just gonna bag. Got my seasoning here, and I have an all-purpose season I use to season my meat. I got my Maggi chicken flavor sauce. So that's what it looks like when it's done seasoning, guys. Ooh, and they are. So, a drop of, and I usually put in 2 package. So I cover it. I'm gonna wait until my pot is done because it's still going. As you can see, it's still bubbling. So I'm gonna wait until it's ready, then I will put my rice in. I'm about to start frying my chicken now. I did put that in the refrigerator. I had to get it out of the refrigerator. Actually start cooking. So this is the stuff that I had cooked up from earlier this morning, and I just dropped some stuff. And I think this bad boy is the chicken. You see, my chickens are in there, and they are just starting to fry. I still have some meat in there, but I'm gonna wait till these fry first, take them out, then put those ones over here in. Hello.
Your puppy have your fart, you have to run away.
No, go top.
No, but you might climb up on you.
Pretty much put the peas in now, and I've put all the stuff in, waiting for it to cook down. Finally home. I say it look bigger.
Really?
It's saying they look bigger, guys.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Yes, I
That's
did.
what I call it, say I look bigger.
Hi, Nico.
Actual. Yeah, they say I look bigger. So when I tell them, no, that people yeah look bigger. You know, they just say all that. Pardon? I know that's the way I look. Ooh, wow.
What?
So what are you looking for makeup or something to want for now? Yeah, you're not the same thing. Yeah, it could be the same thing.
Yeah, that's okay.
Eh? This dinner is finished. I am exhausted. I'm actually tired. Tired. Oh, let me go close my son's blinds in here. This room. It's been raining all day today. Sorry. I'm just gonna close the blinds. I'm going downstairs to go dish dinner now. Hi. Oh, So I'm just going down to go dish dinner. And that's the lonesome there sitting with his hand in his jaw. I wonder what he's thinking about. And dinner is finished. Dinner is done.
Yeah, I'm putting my tablet right here. Since I can't find the other plug, I can't find the other plug because the couch is blocking. I didn't mean to make it so annoying. Stop it. At least you go down like a week. I'll add some water to the cup in the fridge.
I'm about to eat. The table's set. So we're about to have dinner right now. I'm just gonna call it a day, and this is where I'm going to end the vlog. So I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye. Guys, so I'm heading downstairs. This one is staying in bed. So yeah, it's our first weekend in our new home, and it's still dark in here. I guess the kids are sleeping. Must be one in that room.